class. Today we're going to be discussing animated portraits for our characters, just like we have here. Step 1, go into your Dialogic. Let's create a new character. I'm just going to call a character for this demo. Now create a new portrait. I'm just going to call this name. It doesn't really matter what it's called. And then in our default portrait scene, we want to do a layered portrait. Now click customize the scene, and then just click save or give it a name, whatever you want. And let's go here. This will give us a new scene for our character, and this already has some stuff built in for us. So our layer 1 will be our base for our character. So this will be the character without any clothes, or just the default character. And then we have groups and layer 1, layer 2, and these are 2D sprites. Now I've already built a character, so to show you an example. So I've renamed it to base. Okay, and this is the character without clothes, or in my instance, it's just an empty PNG with nothing in it, just so Dialogic can build out a map of it. Then I have a node 2D, which for my moods. So I got happy and I got sad. All right. And then I have another node 2D for normal or casual. And anything I want animated needs to have an animation player as a child of the sprite 2D. So sad has an animation player, plays sad animation. We have the happy animation playing. Oh, and now we have the sad animation playing. Okay, pretty simple to do. Now, how do we edit this within the engine? Let's go into Dialogic. Inside of our timeline, when we add in a character or when we update a character, we need to go into the advanced options. Then in the extra data, we have 3 options. Okay, we can set, we can show, or we can hide. And then we have to write set mood, and then we put /happy. So this references the mood, which is node 2D, and then happy. So when we set something, it turns off every other thing within that branch. So if I want to change her clothes, I would do set clothes normal or set clothes casual, and I would change all of her clothes from normal to casual. And you can build this out. So for each hairstyle, for each shirt, for each trouser, it's up to you. It's totally customizable. Okay, and just show you from here. Hide mood happy and show mood sad. Now the last thing we can do for performance purposes. So I've created a script here just for the animation to play. If happy is visible, animation play happy, else and stop. And the same thing for sad. I set it to play when it's visible, else it'll stop. So these are all triggered based on signals given off by the animation player or the Sprite 2D. You don't need to do this. This is just for performance purposes. You can also just click on the animation player and have it autoplay. So it will always be playing in the background if performance is an issue. But that's it for today's video.